Hi class, this is our introduction video for English 1302. And in this quick video, I just want to walk you through our online course and talk a little bit about the syllabus so that you know what to expect. So from here, you'll see on the home page, of course, is your syllabus. Here will be your course schedule by week, and pretty much I've organized it by what you should be reading each week, any videos or PowerPoints that you need to view that week. And I've got a couple of PowerPoints I need to list here. What our discussion forum will be, and the writing assignments. Our discussion forum is under collaboration, and I'll set that up for week 1. But in our discussion forum, you'll be proposing what you will be writing about for your rhetorical analysis. And your working draft of your rhetorical analysis is due on Sunday. Here is the assignment sheet for that. I'll open it up real quickly. Hurry. Let's see, while we're waiting for that to open. Oh, there it is. Okay. And so here it shows you working draft on the 9th. You do a peer review on the 12th, and then your final draft due on the 16th. And then this kind of talks about what your rhetorical analysis is. All of you should have, this is writing arguments. This is our textbook for the class. Chapters 8. Can y'all see that? Or do I have it covered up? Chapter 8 and Chapter 9 in our textbook are very important for getting a better understanding of a rhetorical analysis. So if you want to make sure that you've read these chapters that I list here. Here are 2 PowerPoints you can view. The first one just talks in general about what rhetoric is. The second one talks in general about what argumentation is. And then the first one talks about rhetoric and argumentation. And the second one talks a little bit about what a rhetorical analysis and the Tolman analysis are. You should have already looked at our course syllabus, and I'm not going to go through that thoroughly. I'm just going to talk about a couple of quick things. So, in the email that you received, I asked you to watch When They See Us on Netflix. If by chance you're having a difficult time gaining access to that, please let me know. But our course is going to be centered around the case of the Central Park 5. And so what we'll do is examine some of the various rhetorical features of the case, including, stories in the media, scenes from the movie. I think there's a documentary that we're going to also watch, and just think about how the role rhetoric plays in shaping our understandings and our belief systems. All right, so I'm not going to go through all of this, but you definitely want to do that. I do want to talk about attendance. So your weekly attendance will be determined by your participation in our online forum. So each week we'll have at least one discussion forum topic. And so these discussion forums essentially act as our course discussions. you'll respond to my initial post, and then you will respond to someone else. Okay? And then there's more information here. And as soon as I get off this video, I'll go ahead and have your discussion set up and ready to go. Here's some more information. I'm actually thinking, since I've created the syllabus, I think I'm going to remove the annotated bib. I don't think we're going to do an annotated bib this summer, just for the sake of time. But I will recalculate those percentages and send that information out to you. And that is that. I'm going to work on getting our course schedule updated, and try to at least get the first 3 weeks posted for you so you can kind of see what's ahead. If you have any questions, please let me know. Again, go ahead and watch When They See Us, and make sure you read the chapters in your book, review how to write a rhetorical analysis. In chapter 8, there is a sample rhetorical analysis, which I definitely think you should read closely because it'll help you when it's time for you to read yours. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you, and talk to you later. See if I can figure out how to get out of here.